Hey, what's up, Eric? It's Devin. Thanks so much for talking to me on the phone, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found you could fix on EskimoBrothersAC.net so you can start beating BrandonAirConditioning.com, because these guys show up at the top when you type in AC Repair Brandon FL, and you could be there really easily. Now, I know you're probably wondering why I would make this video for you. It's really simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't typically have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So, I give away these free attack plans, and a lot of people take this information and they do it themselves. But some people call me back and have me do this stuff for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is just to educate you. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, you have a great looking website, very unique. I've never seen anything like it at all whatsoever. I really like the background you've got going on, very unique logo. And it's awesome that the font matches everything as well too, which is really, really unique. Now, what Google mostly cares about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read. And they want to see a lot of it, because the more content you have, the more likely it is that you're the authority on whatever topic you're writing about. So the average website on the front page of Google has 2,000 words. That's where you kind of want to be sitting. And if I put all your words into a word counter, you only have 198. But if you go to Brandon Air Conditioning and we take all of their words and put it into a word counter, they have 2,649. So you can see right away why they're outranking you. But if you beat them and get yourself up to 3,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. One last quick tip on that is you want to put keywords such as AC Repair Brandon FL into your content. You probably if you're wondering what a keyword is, it's just a phrase someone commonly types into Google. So I go up here, AC Repair Brandon FL. It says you have this 0 times on your homepage. So as you continue to write that new content, put that in there a couple times. You can also save that as your images. Like over here, this can be saved as AC Repair Brandon FL instead of free service 4, and that'll help you rank for it. So that's my first tip for you, Eric. My second one's called backlinks. A backlink is when another website links to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest. So they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant sites, so they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. But it says you have 29 websites linking to you, while Brandon Air has 110 linking to them. And they're actually really low quality links. Not all backlinks are created equal. However, if these links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So what I would do is just copy them. I would go visit all 110 of these websites that are linking to them, and I would put a link back to your website on each one of these sites. Most of the time, you just create a profile and put a link inside the profile. Sometimes you may have to click contact us and email the owner. Sometimes you may have to put a blog comment somewhere. But whatever they did, if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, then that's how you become number 1 organically down here. If you want to become number 1 for the ads, you need a bit higher than your competitors. And then if you want to be number 1 for the map pack, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Best of the Web or Yelp or Yext or something like that. So what I would do if I was in your situation is I'd figure out what directories Ace was in. I'd put myself in those exact same ones, but then add a bunch more on top. So if they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300. That's all I've got for you, Eric. Hope you found this informative, helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 3,000 words on this page so you can beat Brandon Air. You're going to want to put more websites linking to you than Brandon Air, so I would just start by copying them and adding those websites onto your 29. And then I put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Ace Heating and Cooling. And Eric, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become. Oh, and also with those keywords I showed you, you can do that inside of like your meta descriptions up here, save your images, stuff like that. Now, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1. My suggestion for you is just to get started on this as soon as possible, because it does take time to implement all this. The sooner that you get started, the sooner you start profiting, because you're ranking number 1. You're getting more phone calls. If you have any questions, or if you just are too busy running your business, you want someone else to do this stuff for you, feel free to give me a call at any time. I put my phone number down here at the bottom right. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching this video, Eric. I look forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.